Next, we are ready to install the screen. Plug in the screen cable and earpiece cable. Start putting back the bezel. The same screws need to be filled with some screw glue. We screw with a torque screwdriver. Clean up. We tear off the last protective film of waterproof glue. Next, we are ready to install the screen. Remove the camera protection sticker. Cover screen. After installing the screen, we need to press the phone once. Hold pressure completed. Let's check the health of the battery. The battery health of this phone is back to 100%. Let's check other features. Start screwing on the bottom screw. Let's clean up the dust on the handset net and speaker net. And the dust inside the charging port. Next, we put a tempered film on the phone. We have to send tempered film for every mobile phone repaired.